In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a prompt for AI video generation in ElevenLabs, step by step. If you want to turn a simple idea into a generated video, this is one of the easiest places to start, because the prompt you write tells the AI exactly what to create. I'll walk you through where to find the video tool, how to enter your prompt, and how to make your description clearer so you get better results. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and look at the left sidebar. You want to find the section called Image and Video. This is the area where ElevenLabs keeps its visual generation tools, so click on that to open it. Once you're inside, make sure you switch to video mode. That's important because ElevenLabs may show more than one creative option, and you want to be in the mode specifically meant for generating video. After you're in video mode, look toward the bottom of the page. You should see a prompt box waiting for you. This is where you type the instructions for the AI. Think of the prompt as the creative brief for your video. The more clear and detailed you are, the better the result is likely to be. When writing your prompt, start with the subject or character. Ask yourself what the video should be about. Is it a person, an animal, a product, or a fictional scene? For example, you might describe a young woman walking through a futuristic city, a dog running across a beach, or a glowing product shot on a clean studio background. Giving the AI a clear subject helps it understand the focus of the scene. Next, add the actions or movement. This is what makes the video feel alive instead of static. Tell ElevenLabs what the subject is doing. Is the character walking, turning, smiling, looking around, or interacting with something? Are the camera movements slow and cinematic or fast and energetic? Even a simple motion description can dramatically improve the final output. Then include the background or setting. This tells the AI where the scene takes place. You can describe whether the environment is indoors or outdoors, realistic or stylized, bright or dark, modern or fantasy inspired. For example, you could say the character is standing in a neon-lit alley, a quiet forest at sunset, or a sleek office with soft lighting. The setting adds context and helps the generated video look more intentional. A good prompt usually combines all three parts: subject, action, and setting. For example, you could write something like a confident businesswoman walking through a modern city street at sunrise with soft golden light, moving traffic in the background, and a cinematic camera angle. That gives the AI a much stronger direction than a vague prompt like walking woman. The more specific you are, the more control you have over the result. If you want better consistency, try keeping your prompt organized and descriptive, but still natural. You do not need to write it like code. Just explain the scene the way you would describe it to a person. That usually works best for AI video generation. Once your prompt is ready, enter it into the box at the bottom of the page and review it one more time before generating. And that's the basic process for adding a prompt for AI video generation in ElevenLabs. Open Image and Video, switch to video mode, click the prompt box, and write a clear description with the subject, action, and setting. That's the foundation for getting better looking AI videos. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.